Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unlock new bean fence in Grow a Garden Beanstalk update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have already unlocked the bean fence and this is how the bean fence looks like. And I'm going to show you how you can get this bean fence. Okay, if you want to get it, you can go to the top of the beanstalk. You can teleport to the top or you can climb the beanstalk if you haven't unlocked this portal. Okay, I'm going to click on teleport and then, oops, sorry. Okay, I have already reached the top of this beanstalk and then you can go to this area. Since I have already unlocked the beanstalk, it's empty here, but if you haven't unlocked it, you will be able to find the beanstalk here. And just remember that you need to contribute to 10 growths to unlock the bean fence. And okay guys, that's all the way to get the bean fence and Grow a Garden new beanstalk update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.